Welcome to Plant Lifestyles. Today we are coming to talk about plants. Plant lifestyles, we talk about plants and things plants can do for us. So today we are going to talk about this mimosa plant. You see, this mimosa plant is a kind of plant that responds to stimuli quickly. So if you touch it like this, you see it will close up. So this is what we are going to talk about today. Please, if you are new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you don't understand anything, just comment. So this is the mimosa plant we are going to talk about. We are going to use this plant to open ways for us. We are going to attract loved ones. We are going to attract goodness in our life. Yes. So what we are going to do is that this mimosa plant, as we see here, we are going to gather a lot. We are going to gather a lot of this mimosa plant, and then once we gather this mimosa plant, we are going to use to open ways for our lives. And then what you are going to do is that you take a lot of these leaves. Once you take a lot of these leaves, we are going to just pound it in the mortar, or we are going to use pestle and mortar to pound. Once you are done, you are going to open ways for ourselves, and then also protect ourselves. So you can collect a lot of this with the stem. The stem has some kind of thorns on it. As you can see, these are the thorns that signify protection. So you can collect a lot of the leaves like this. You can collect a lot of the leaves, and then you can also use knife to cut the stems too, and then pound it. Then you get a big container. Once you get a big container, what we are going to do is that we are going to mix divine grace perfume and then Florida perfume. On the screen, let me show Florida perfume. Yes, that's the Florida perfume, and then the divine grace perfume is also this. So we are going to buy both, and then you mix it with it. Please get a big container, because you are going to bath for it like for 3 days. You are going to bath it for 3 days. So you just get the container. Once you get the container, you mix it with water, and then you get a lot of this, pound it, and then mix it with the water. Pour all the content of Florida water, pour all the content of sevens, that is divine grace, and then bath for it for 3 days, morning and evening, morning and evening. It is going to make your spirit strong. It is going to make you powerful, and going to open ways for you. It is going to open ways, open doors. When you are someone who sells but they don't buy, if you are someone who apply for a job but they don't call you, though you qualify. Yes, there are people suffering in life not because they didn't learn, not because they don't have qualification. It's because they are struggling for spiritual reasons. So this is that is the mimosa plant. When you touch them, they will all close up. You see, so that's it. The mimosa plant. So please get the mimosa plant. This plant lifestyle, I'm teaching a lot of plants, their benefit, their powerful use, and how to correct things in our life to make life simple for us. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll do a lot of videos every day, every weekends, every month, so that you get updates. Like the video, because once you like the video, you motivate me that you like my subjects, so I go on to do more video for you. Please, let's meet in the next video. Let's meet in the next video, because you subscribe to the channel. The next video I'm going to talk about is this cider acuta. Please, it's very powerful plant. Yes, please, it's very powerful plant. You see, today is Saturday. I'm moving around for herbs, and then I'm going to talk about this, but I don't want to combine it. I don't want to combine this too. So just subscribe for the next video. I like you, I love you, I cherish you for watching my videos. Love me back by subscribing, by liking the video and commenting. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.
Bible quote to support Plant Lifestyles channel. Ezekiel chapter 47 verse 12. ESV. And on the banks, on both sides of the river, there will grow all kinds of trees for food. Their leaves will not wither, nor their fruit fails, but they will bear fresh fruit every month, because the water for them flows from the sanctuary. Their fruit will be for food, and their leaves for healing. Revelation chapter 22 verses 1 to 2. ESV. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb through the middle of the street of the city. Also, on either side of the river, the tree of life with its 12 kinds of fruit, yielding its fruit each month. The leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations.